You're an old guy, or else you're probably not watching this. Listen to your body. That's not just a little statement. It's not just a little thing. You listen to your body. Listen, if you're older, talking like 40s and above, I'm 54, you're working out, and you've been working out a while, and so you know what hurts and what doesn't, and what you can get by with and what you can deal with. But if you're getting like the same type of pain, I'll give you an example. My right shoulder, I have 2 tears in it. I had an MRI done, I don't know, around maybe 05, going back a while, right? Quite some time ago. And I have a tear in my rotator cuff and a tear in my labrum. Small, could be repaired, but the reason why we never did it is the doctor said you got so much arthritis in there that even if we take it out, that stuff comes right back. So you're still going to be in pain, and you're still going to do what you do. So why go through all of that, and then for a very small period of time, getting it fucking fixed and not getting the thing fixed, for lack of a better term, not to be redundant. So why get surgery if it's going to still hurt you anyway? You have to decide for yourself. You're listening to your body. This is part 1. I got another Listen to Your Body coming up next week. But if you're listening to your body, part 1, find out what's wrong if you keep getting the same pain and stuff like that. That means there's probably something bothering you. And if the doctor says, well, don't work out, you're going to fucking work out. You're going to probably have to modify your workout, which means maybe do a different exercise, take a different movement out. With your shoulders, that's something that pretty much people that work out any length of time are going to deal with shoulder injuries, shoulder pain, and things like that. And it's something that, you can deal with, and sometimes you just got to deal with. Like I said, I weighed the options on getting the surgeries. Now, I've had 2 elbow surgeries, full reconstruction. I had the back spinal fusion. If I needed to get something fixed, I'm not afraid to go under a fucking knife. It's just part of life, especially when you get fucking older and you're banged up and shit like that, like the back was something that just over the years just kept getting worse and worse, and I had to get it fixed, or else I was going to be in pain, not just in the gym, just I was washing dishes leaning on the sink, I was in the supermarket leaning on the fucking wagon. I couldn't walk straight up, and it was killing me. So that's when not just stop squatting made a difference. It didn't make a difference because I was still hurt when I was fucking washing the fucking fork, right? So you have to make a decision. Does this thing really hurt me that bad, and does it hurt me all the time where it's my quality of life is fucking being messed up? If your quality of life is being messed up, then you're looking to do it. With my shoulder, it hurts a little bit when I'm not in the gym, but it doesn't really bother me much unless I'm working out. Different than the spine situation. So listen to your body, find out what's wrong with it, and then make a decision if you need to get it fixed or not. And if you want to go to a different doctor, different orthopedic, always get a second opinion if you're not really quite sure about the first one. But most of the time it's going to be something that you could fucking say, do I need it? No, then I don't want to do it. And you got to just deal with it. And that's kind of the way I am with my shoulder. But you might be different. So the main thing is, if the exercise is bothering you, stop doing it. See if it fixes the problem. If you're still feeling pain and you're not in the gym and you're just doing your day-to-day fucking stuff, that's when you got to get your MRIs, your CAT scans, or whatever else. Find out what's wrong with it, diagnose it, and then decide with the doctor or the orthopedic specialist, whoever you're seeing, find out what it's going to entail, how long the recovery process is, and how much different do you have to do your day-to-day, and then you're working out in the gym, or if you do sports on the side, if that's going to be affected. With my spinal fusion, I was out for a while, months. I couldn't work out. So important thing to know before you get it done. This, guys, training tips brought to you by the sponsor of our Friday AMA on Instagram Live at 3 o'clock at Muscle Sport Mag. Elevated Botanics. Look at that stuff. Great stuff. Kratom. They got all these cool pills and everything. And also musclesportmag.com/store. $32 a year, free shipping, United States. We will see you on the next Old Guys Training Tip.